So can we have the first question?
Number one.
The first question.
Which one of the following parts of a plant is responsible for photosynthesis? A. Wood. Flowers. B. Leaves.
Michael John, your hand is up already.
Leaves.
All right, so the answer is leaves. Are we all right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
the leaf is responsible, or the leaves are responsible for photosynthesis. We have established that it contains chlorophyll, that is the green pigment, okay, that is able to trap the sunlight, and then with water from the soil, carbon dioxide, food is prepared for the plant. Is that okay? All right. So that is how photosynthesis occurs. All right. So that is how we get food prepared by the leaf. Second question, please.
Which part of the plant is found in the soil? A. Branches. B. Leaves. C. Stem. D. Roots.
All right. Yes. Is it Clara? Abuchi. All right. The answer is roots. Okay, so we have the answer here. The part that is found in the soil is the root, and it is true. It is the only part that is found in the root. But in some cases, okay, in some exceptional cases, we have some part of the stem that also develops in the soil. All right, these are extreme cases in plants. All right. All right, so let's move to the third question. The third question.
Which part of the plant is responsible for reproduction?
So which part of the plant is responsible for reproduction? Yes, Mantekoli.
The flowers.
Mantekoli, can you explain why the flowers are responsible for reproduction? Why do you say so? Do you have any idea?
No, please.
All right, so let me explain. Now, in the flowers, we have the male part and then the female part. All right. And now they have the brightly colored petals. All right. The brightly colored petals attract insects. And when the insects come around, the male part, which is the anther, contains pollen grains. And then the pollen grains is crossed or helps to pollinate. All right. So when pollination takes place, fertilization occurs. And then from fertilization, we can get what we call fruit and seeds. So the flowers are responsible for reproduction. That is in simple terms what we are talking about. All right. So thank you very much for that. Okay, can we have the next question, please?
The following are examples of parts of plants, except B. Leaves, C. Stem, D. What?
All right, Jaden Kobla.
Sir, please, I can't see. Says soil. Soil.
All right. So all those who chose soil, the answer is right. The following are examples of
Yes, of course.
plant part, except soil is not a part of a plant. All right, let's go to question number 5.
That's a question you would answer. Just put and press it.
Question
Which
number 5.
part of the plant holds it firmly in the soil? A. Flowers. B. Leaves. C. Branches. D. Roots.
Yes, it's our essence.
Yes. Who can help us with the answer? Lisa.
Sir, please, it's roots.
Okay, so the answer is roots. Jaden Salasi, what is the answer for the next question? Lady Gloria, can you help us with the question?
The part of the plant found above the soil is
The stem.
All right, so the answer is the stem, and you are right.
the
Now let's
stem.
look at the 7th question. How many cups of water is expected to be drunk daily? Yes, how many? Okay, so I have about 6 hands already raised, and then I have to get back to them. Okay. Jason.
8 cups.
8 cups, approximately 8 cups, and you're right. So it is expected that approximately we are supposed to take 8 cups. Now, what I am saying is this, and please take a note. Take note of this. We are not
No, please, we can't hear you.
Sir, please.
We can't hear you.
all right. Okay, so I am saying that in the course of the day, sometimes we take coconut, we take watermelon. These are fruits, if I can say that also contains some amount of water. So as we are taking that in, it is also adding up to the amount of water we are supposed to drink a day. All right. So when we say we are supposed to take approximately 8 cups of water, it doesn't mean we have to take, we have to measure the cups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 before we know that we have drunk water. No, but we are supposed to also take fruits and vegetables that contains water. That is also going to help add up to the quantity of water we are supposed to take a day. Is that okay? But should we measure all the quantity of water we are supposed to take a day, it should be equivalent to 8 glasses of water or 8 cups of water. Is that okay?
Okay.
So that is the explanation to question number 7. Then we went to question number 8. Then we said, question number 8, we are looking at question number 8. We are looking at the human body is made up of about what percentage of water? And the answer is what? Yes, Nyami Ado. 70% of water. Yes. Evelyn, Abuchi. Jason, I can see your hand.
70% of water.
All right, so we all agree that it is 70% of water. So our body composition is made up of 70% of water. It is very important. Question number 9. Yes, Lady Gloria.
What enzyme is present in the saliva?
All right. What enzyme or which enzyme is present in saliva? I want you to write this answer in the comment section. Write your answer in the comment section. What enzyme or which of the enzymes is present in our saliva? I want you all to research and then write your answers in the comment section. This is our research work for the day. Which enzyme or what kind of enzyme can be found in our saliva? All right, so this is our question for the day for the very first part. All right, okay, now that you have written your answer in the comment section, we can proceed. Now, we all understand that for food to be broken down, we need one, saliva. Saliva does not only make the food soft, but also contains enzymes. And these enzymes help to break down the food. Digestion of carbohydrate begins where? Which part of the body does digestion begin? Yes, Pella. Pella.
Sir, please, from the mouth.
All right, so digestion of carbohydrate begins in the mouth. And I want you to write 5 examples of carbohydrate foods in the comment section. All right, write 5 carbohydrate foods in the comment section. Everybody should try and write 5 examples of carbohydrate food. Now, in the carbohydrate food or in the saliva, contains salivary amylase. Salivary amylase. Salivary amylase help to break down carbohydrates, all right, into the simplest form. So digestion of carbohydrates begins in the mouth with the help of an enzyme called salivary amylase, all right. That of protein is also available, and we discussed this under digestion. So you can check our previous lesson to know, to understand more about this aspect. All right, so you can check our previous video discussion on digestion. All right, so when you just go to YouTube, you type Prof RSK digestion Prof RSK, you will get it, and then you can easily go through like that. All right, so let's proceed. What is the end product of eating banku? What is the end product of eating banku? The answer is also in our previous discussion. All right. Yes. Who will give us the answer? Yes, sapon and sapon. Yes, sapon.
Glucose.
All right. So the end product of banku is glucose. In the comment section, please, I want you to also write the end product of the following. Please write the end product of the following. The end product of, are you listening? The end product of protein. All right, the end product of protein, the end product of fat and oil. All right, write your answers in the comment section when the video is finally out. All right, so this is where we are going to end the first section, but before we go, there are about 1 or 2 more questions that I want us to look at. So we'll be back in just a second, okay? All right, so I am reading from this aspect. Who am I? We are twins. My senior brother is slightly bigger than me. My senior brother is slightly bigger than me. When I stand at the left side, my senior brother is slightly bigger than me. Who am I? Yes, man, take all it.
The lungs.
The answer is not lungs. It's wrong. Louisa Kwenu.
Yes. Has he mentioned? No. Off the mic.
Louisa. Jaden, is your hand up? Mantikole, I'm going to explain why I am rejecting your answer, okay? It is not entirely wrong, but I want you to be specific with your answers. That is why I said I am not accepting it. Okay, so yes, Jaden Salasi, is your hand up? Zoe?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The stomach and the liver.
No. No. Think about it again. It says, who am I? We are twins. My senior brother is slightly bigger than me when I stand at the left side. Yes, can we get the answer? All right, so the answer is the left lungs. The left lungs. The left lungs. So when we're discussing the respiratory system, we said that the right lungs is slightly bigger than the left one. Yes. So I am saying, who am I? If I stand at the left side and my brother is slightly bigger than me, then who am I? I am the left lungs. Please take note of this. It is not just lungs, but it is the left lungs. Is that okay? The left lungs.
Yes.
All right. So the right one is slightly bigger than the left one. All right. Then let's look at this one too. It says, whenever I take the right path, my brother would also go to the left. We usually meet at the wing or the windpipe junction. The windpipe junction. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, can anybody help us? Yes. Yes, if your hand is up, just tell me the answer.
Common sense.
Pella, what's the answer? Pella.
Bronchus.
All right, the answer is bronchus. The answer is bronchus. From the windpipe, which is the trachea, the windpipe is the trachea. So from the windpipe, it splits into two. All right, when it splits into two, we have the bronchus and then The bronchus also further split to give us the bronchioles. All right, so this is where we are going to end with the first section, part 1.
Sir, please,
We are
can you
going to
stop
part
the
2. All right.
Sir, please, can you tell me the bronchus?
The bronchus, B-R-O-N-C-H-U-S, bronchus. You can also read more from our website. We have all this on our website, www.profrsk.com. All right, all these are present. We have comprehensive notes on this on the website. So visit the website and then read more. All right. So we'll be back in 2 minutes. Get some water for the second section.